The Bishop of Lango Diocese Right Reverend Professor Alfred Olwa has appointed Venerable Reverend Canon James Okaka Bishop's Commissary. This means Reverend Okaka will perform his administrative role in his absence. Bishop Olwa said this year he has invitations to several countries for evangelical work that includes theological lessons to clergies and bishops. This, he said, will not give him time to work normally has the Bishop of Lango Diocese. In his absence, Bishop Olwa also said the Emeritus Bishops Alfred Okaka and John Charles Odakami will perform sacraments. Let's look at the history Bishop's Commissary in the Anglican Church or the Church of England briefly. According to the Episcopal Church, representatives of the Bishop of London appointed to oversee the work of the Church of England in the American colonies during the late 17th and early 18th centuries. By the time of the Glorious Revolution, 1688, the Bishop of London held responsibility for control over Anglican affairs in America. Since commissaries already performed functions for bishops in distant areas of dioceses in England, the RT, Reverend Henry Compton, Bishop of London, decided in 1689 to appoint James Blair as the first American commissary. Blair served in Virginia for 57 years. He established order over the church, enforced morality laws, and in 1693 founded the College of William and Mary, the first Anglican college in America. Blair's success demonstrated the usefulness of Compton's plan. Commissaries were soon designated for other colonies, including most notably Thomas Bray in Maryland. The system reached its peak of influence in the 1740s, when commissaries were active in 9 of the 13 colonies. However, the canonical powers of the commissary were limited, and the need for Anglican bishops resident in America gradually became apparent. As a result, the commissary system fell into disuse everywhere except in Virginia in the decade prior to the American Revolution. At least 16 commissaries were sent to the American colonies.
Thank you for watching Open Scroll TV. Please subscribe.
Open Scroll TV, the evening light.